The Golden Dome for America is closer to becoming a reality than most of you think, and it's not being built for no good reason. China and Russia have secretly been developing a weapon that the US can't reliably defend itself against. And just a couple weeks ago, China hinted that they had hypersonic missiles capable of traveling up to speeds of Mach 20. For context, that's 62 football fields for every second it's traveling. You might be wondering, why am I telling you this? Well, it's abundantly clear that the US has a big problem and it's willing to pay big money to solve it, aka hundreds of billions over the next few years. This begs the question, which companies are set to profit? There are actually 3 companies that have unofficially been confirmed by Trump to build the Golden Dome's hypersonic missile tracking system. These companies consist of SpaceX to build and launch the satellites, Palantir to make the software, and L3Harris to install hypersonic missile tracking payload into the satellites. This made me curious to know if any politicians were trading these companies' stocks, and what I found was absolutely shocking. It turns out that Congress is positioned perfectly to profit off the Golden Dome's existence. Just in 2025, 10 out of the 12 trades on Palantir stock made by politicians have been purchases, and it doesn't end there. The senator from Oklahoma, Mark Wayne Mullen, bought $50,000 of L3Harris stock on February 13th, and it probably won't shock you to know that he sits on the Armed Services Committee. Now, I don't know if he's getting classified information about the Golden Dome, but if he is, this is a direct conflict of interest. If you didn't know already, the one big beautiful bill just passed the House and will be moving into Mullen's territory, the Senate. That bill contains a $25 billion down payment to start the construction of the Golden Dome. If this passes, Palantir and L3Harris are more than likely going to receive large portions of this money. And considering the fact that Mullen's close allies with Trump, he's probably going to vote yes on this bill. Right now, Mullen is up 19% on his trade, and I'll be tracking its performance over the coming months. If you want to see every stock Mullen is currently holding, head over to Altaneer. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one.